time, medyo kabado kasi first time namin. Ayun lang, enjoy. Nag-enjoy naman kami sa ngayon. Kaya excited kami ipakita kung ano yung mga bagong direction ng TOP.
Hello? Ayun. Actually, meron ko yung mga premiere na number at Miss Isa Santos na actually, sa Wednesday pa lang namin for the performance na gagawin namin. And we've been prepared dito talaga sa yung time na natin. 2 numbers with them.
Si Ms. Isa Santos naman po, very exciting din yun sa kanya kasi makikita niyo yung siguro yung collaboration namin in terms of musicality with Ms. Isa Santos. So, yun siguro yung parang fun side ng team.
Originally po was for the plan, pero
What happened?
meron po siya. Yeah. She's one of the most requested namin na ng mga asama talaga sa concert. Pero fate did not allow it. Siguro for para sa next concert po sana.
Yes!
Cover with Ms. Julian. Kasi since lumakapit ka sa concert, parang tinignan namin yung opportunity to work with her through a collaboration sa yung closer and to cover
Actually, ano po, since we came from the show to the top, tapos we were kind of, hindi man stuck, hindi naman slow down, pero we needed to like relate ourselves to the show. Kasi we came from that show. And so limited lang po yung like direction na pwede i-take na TOP in terms of music. It has to be like pure ganito, pure ganyan. And right now, we feel free, more free na now. Kasi dun sa concert, makita niyo po yung the path we want to take, music-wise. So it's gonna be full of like upbeat, more now kind of songs. Parang yung 24 karat compared to Pagising. So parang paiba po siya ng genre.
And medyo sinadya po yan na rin ng production na ibahin yung mga coaches or yung mga nagpa-mentor sa amin ngayon para ibang flavor na rin po yung i-present namin sa audience. So siguro different perspective po ngayon yung mga natutunan din namin and ipapakita namin sa concert.
Of course, we'll be performing our originals dito sa concert na to. And we have different versions of some covers as well. Tapos dito nyo makikilala yung iba't ibang kami individually as a group. Hindi siya puro group performance, puro production number. May segment dito na talagang isa-isa kami na we will show the different genres of what TOP is, who TOP really is, and panibagong performances in terms of choreography, musical arrangement by Mr. Mark Lopez na actually sobrang saya namin sobrang excited lang namin regarding dito sa rehearsals, sa pagbubuo nito concert na to, na we really are looking forward to that day which is on Friday, 5 days from now.
Are you still nervous, Miko?
Yes, di naman mawawala yun na talagang andun yung pressure and then we are kind of nervous because it's the first time and talagang we invited also some guests very close to our hearts and also in the industry na alam mo you have to level up talaga. The performance has to be up there. It has to be something different from the usual performance. Something big. Yeah.
Yung gumagawa po ng choreography for the concert is Sir Mac from The Maneuvers. Siya po yung nag-focus ng trend na Juju on the Beat at saka yung Jump Shot Challenge po. So parang we're so blessed na maturuan niyo po kasi world class po yung pagko-choreograph niyo.
Ano naman po, sakto lang po. I mean, nakasunod naman po kami. And aside from Sir Mac, si Adrian and Joshua nag-choreo din po for the concert. Kasi sila din po yung dancers namin. So, may segment po doon na sila po yung si Adrian yung nag-choreo. Tapos for the original, silang dalawa po yung choreo. And also yung dance workshops po namin headed by Adlib. si Miss Joe Abuda. So, yun.
So we're gonna see something from both what you're doing in the workshops. Okay.
Yun, before we had the choreography with the maneuvers, yun nga, they prepared us. We had workshops on that. So, in terms of kung nahirapan kami, siguro not as much because they prepared. We're very thankful dun sa Adlib also, who prepared us.
Ginagawa po namin yung rehearsals late na, after school, di ba? Kasi yung school po namin ni Louie, hapon tapos na. So, pagkatapos ng school, diretso rehearsals na lang. Para hindi po tumatama sa school.
Not soon. Pero, ano po, I'm pacing, yun po yung magandang term. I'm pacing school din. Para magawa po lahat ng available now na pwede gawin and like still survive with a secure future. Same with Adrian. Adrian first year po si Adrian. First year po si Adrian, so puno pa siya ng mga PE. So mas mahirap po yung skill niya, may PE pa siya, Filipino, English. Mas mahirap actually. Si Miss Hazel and
Kim Domingo.
Kim Domingo and Miss Hazel.
Okay.
Will be standby Mr. Don now. Pero for the concert, they have pulled out sa different companies. Miss Raquel from Miss.
Do you have any idea as to the status ng tickets? Sold out na ba? Or may natitira pa?
Well, ano po, nung first week, medyo overwhelmed din po nung first week. Na ubos na po yung most of the front seats. And siguro yung so
May natitira pa mga tickets?
Yes po, meron.
Feeling ko po yan. Feeling ko. May feeling po ako na siguro, siyempre naman.
Kagabi lang, nagkaroon po kami ng parang throwback viewing. Yung mga videos namin ng competition, as in like yung mga raw videos, mga practice videos namin sa competition. And parang reaction namin, as in yung group reaction namin parang tayo ba to? Diba? Pero parang ano po, sobrang, it's been a year talaga. And madami na po sobrang nagbago. And masasabi po namin na thankful po kami sa mga nangyayari po sa amin ngayon. Kasi mas na-improve po yung craft namin bilang performance, hindi lang po bilang artist, bilang performance po talaga per se. And yun, kagaya po sinabi ko, nag-throwback video viewing kami kagabi. And tapos nag-viewing ulit kami ng recent video namin. So parang, yeah, may improvements naman po from us. Pero kung masasabi, ako personally, pero sa ikaw,
Para sa akin, mas naging confident na kami. Kasi hindi na kami yung nag-hold back pa. Kasi pag magpa-perform kami, sanay, gamay na din.
pero syempre po, may room for improvement pa din naman po. Nag-iwan pa rin talaga every time na kailangan everyday ka mag-improve. Kasi wala namang perfect, di ba po? Para kailangan hindi sobrang taas yung nandun ka dapat nandito ka para may improve ka pa. Next.
Boy, pero like in the network, meron din yung kalaban. By next year,
Pero good din po kasi namin kasi ngayon yung standard po ng boy bands is sa masa, if you think about it. Hindi po masyado, di ba pag boy bands, puro pa cute. Smile ka dyan, o tayo ka lang dyan, oy boy band, nag-lip sync yan, wala nang titingin. And if yung boy band man po sa kabila, that's good in helping yung mismong standard na yun na mawala. Na, okay po, then that's good. Kasi that's part of what we're trying to do. We're trying to change yung tingin nila sa boy band. Kasi dati po pag boy band, magaling yan eh. Mga Bee Gees, magaling po yan yung time na yun. Diba? Backstreet up to Backstreet, NSYNC na wala na po. Tapos, dito po sa time na to, na sa Philippines, wala po masyadong respect for like bands like us. And if yung magagawa pong bagong banda, if that helps gain respect, mag-earn po ng respect sa mga bands na gaya namin, then we would gladly welcome them and treat them as a friend din, di ba? Good trying.
Hi, we're COP!
invite you to watch
DOB
DOB
in
concert on October 28th. This Friday is a music museum with special guests.
Miss Aisel Santos and Miss Kim Domingo. That's 8 p.m. So grab your tickets now.
Ticketworld.com.ph. You guys.
See you there.